Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by centralizing the raw inputs so tracking is reliable. Import or paste your transaction, KPI, and timestamp tables into one workbook and use Power Query to standardize headers and types. Once done, convert each import to an Excel table so formulas and references stay intact. Make a changelog column or sheet to capture data refresh timestamps and user edits. This helps you audit later. Make sure calculation is set to automatic and macros are trusted before proceeding to build monitoring logic. You now create the core monitoring mechanisms. Use Power Query to merge source tables and produce a clean feed. This reduces formula drift. Once loaded, add helper columns for status, last updated timestamp, delta percentage, and an anomaly flag using structured table formulas. Then build pivot tables and slicers for fast aggregation, apply conditional formatting to highlight outliers, and use data validation to prevent bad inputs. Make sure to isolate volatile formulas and prefer table references, so updates remain predictable and fast. You finish by automating refresh and alerting. Schedule a Power Query refresh on Open or use Task Scheduler with Excel/PowerShell for timed runs, then add a small VBA routine or webhook to send alerts when anomaly flags trigger. Once done, protect key ranges and lock formulas, but leave input areas editable. Make a snapshot sheet on each run to preserve historical states. If something breaks, check refresh errors first. Then test source joins and helper column logic to find mismatched types or missing keys.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.